Hi everyone, welcome to the Ultimate Gardening channel. My name is Emilio Arce, well known to be the Ultimate Gardener. And today's exciting spreading video, this entire box and what's inside the box is gonna be the topic of today's video. So if you want to know what this video is about and all the details behind it, please stay tuned with us. So Ultimate Gardeners, if you've been with me for some time now, you know that the J Berry Nursery is one of the best companies I've partnered with so far because I'm their Florida representative and they have been my #1 supporter since day one. And they just announced some exciting news not too long ago that now they'll be opening up a new program where you guys can be part of our community too. If you would like to go ahead and be a J Berry affiliate, I'll be leaving a link towards it down below for you guys to check out. Don't hesitate in joining because it's a delight receiving things like this in the mail and supporting amazing companies like the J Berry Nursery. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up for you guys because I'm super excited to see what's in it because I've been dying to see and been dying to wait for it. And so this entire video is gonna be surrounding this plant because hey, it's just amazing in general. So right here, I can see. Ooh. So in this entire box, they give you an entire plant care guide and instructions off of this right here. So you can learn how to take care of it. So now you can also be in their Facebook group. I'm gonna be leaving a link towards that down below as well. So here is the beauty. I'm super excited. Ooh. Oh my god, this is gorgeous. Looks like during shipping they did a little bit of a snafu happened. Seemed to be the plant was like lifted up during shipment, which is not that big of a problem. So here it is. Ooh. Let me go ahead and clear up this entire area and let's go ahead and talk about the plant. So to me gardeners, when having a sweetheart gardenia like this one, you want to take in consideration a few things. Number one, they need 6+ hours of direct sunlight in order to thrive, which means that they're a full sun loving plant. Number two, they require watering one time every 3 to 4 days until established, which once they're established, you can go ahead and water one time every week because they're a bit more heat tolerant and drought tolerant, which is great. Number three is pruning. Pruning is usually done during summer where there's no flowers and you have visible foliage and you can visibly see any flower buds. So you don't want to prune during flowering season or winter because you don't want to risk losing any flowering buds. Number four is you can fertilize with the granule-based fertilizer or with the water-based solution. But when it comes to evergreen edges, just like this one, you would preferably do granule-based solutions because the difference between water-based solutions and granule-based solutions is that granule fertilizer is a bit more impacting in nutrition value, while water-based solutions are a bit more diluted because they're mixed with water. So when it comes to evergreens like this one, I would recommend doing granule, where they can go ahead and have a impactful impact of nutrition values such as nitrogen and potassium, which is two main components when it comes to a plant thriving. So that's technically it when it comes to this entire plant guide of this one. Ultimate Gardeners, I already talked to you guys about the care guide and how this amazing plant should perform. And so now I want to talk to you guys about the J Berry Nursery Company itself. With every purchase you get with the J Berry Nursery Company like this, you can use my discount code Ultimate Gardening and get 20% discounted off your purchase. That is amazing. Who doesn't like saving a little bit of money, especially when it comes to plants like this beautiful sweetheart gardenia? The J Berry Nursery not only provides evergreens like this, but also provides tropical hibiscus, shrubs, annuals, you name it, they have it on their store. So I'm gonna be leaving a link towards the link or their website down below and the discount code down below. Make sure to go through, check out their stuff, and maybe purchase a few items so you can go ahead and find the delight behind growing your own plants like this one. So thank you all so much for watching this video. Once again, a huge shout out to J Berry Nursery for partnering with us on this video. Once again, their Facebook group, their affiliate program, my discount code, and their website link is down below for you guys to check out. Go check them out, go support them because they're an amazing company in general. So thank you all so much for watching this video. If you learned something new, please leave a like down below. And while you're down there, please consider subscribing to show your amazing support towards the Ultimate Gardening channel. And also, please share with your friends and families to help other generations learn where their food comes from. But not only that, learn how to grow it. Thank you all so much for watching this video. And never forget to grow big, Ultimate Gardeners. Bye, guys.